Today I'm gonna show you how to dolly up and downstairs. I talked to you about what's called the pivot point. Anything that you're dollying has a pivot point, and you wanna kind of weigh that out so that whenever you're going up, you know when the weight starts to tilt forward and when it starts to tilt back. You wanna pace yourself, so you don't wanna work against the stair. Some people will lean very far back, and it's a lot of weight. Have one leg up a stair, one leg down a stair. What I do is I try to keep my back and my body upright, and I pull up as opposed to back. So whenever I'm going up the stair, the leg that is down, I press from that, and I use that strength along with my straight arms to pull up. So once I do that, I just step, then boom, repeat, and then keep going up. Just continue going up, find that rhythm, and just kind of pull up with everything. And you always want to make sure to have control over the weight. You don't want it to just drop. So again, with that bottom leg, I like to get that close, and I like to have that control the weight. I usually put it forward, and I let my body kind of roll forward while leaning on there. Ease it down with my arms. Rinse and repeat, find that rhythm. Let it roll off. You don't need to push too much to get it off. Just let it kind of roll off. It already wants to go down. So then you switch legs, keep going down, boom, get control, find your rhythm, and then you'll start to go down, and then boom, there you go.